The cry from the garbage. The rain was pouring heavily that night. Most people had already gone home, hiding from the cold wind and dark clouds. The streets were nearly empty except for a garbage collector named Tomas, who was finishing his last route of the night. He pushed his old cart slowly down the narrow alley behind a row of restaurants. The smell of spoiled food and trash filled the air. Suddenly, he stopped. At first, he thought it was just a cat. A faint sound came from one of the large garbage bins. Tomas frowned. "That's strange," he murmured. The cry came again. This time it was clearer. It wasn't a cat, it was a baby. His heart began pounding. With shaking hands, Tomas hurried toward the bin and pushed aside several trash bags. The crying grew louder. Then he saw something that made his whole body freeze. Wrapped inside a dirty plastic bag was a tiny newborn baby, moving weakly and crying with all the strength she had left. "Oh my God!" Tomas whispered. The baby's skin was cold from the rain, and her tiny hands trembled. Without thinking, Tomas quickly removed his jacket and wrapped the baby inside it. "Don't cry, little one, you're safe now," he said softly. He rushed through the rain toward the nearest hospital, holding the baby close to his chest as if she were the most precious treasure in the world. Doctors and nurses immediately took the baby and placed her in a warm incubator. They said if Tomas had found her just a little later, she might not have survived the cold night. The police searched for the person who abandoned the baby, but no one ever came forward. Days passed, then weeks. The baby girl slowly grew stronger. But there was one problem. No one wanted to adopt her. People visited the hospital, looking at other babies, and left. But the baby who had been found in the garbage was often ignored. Every day after work, Tomas returned to the hospital to visit her. He would stand beside the crib and smile. "You're a strong little fighter," he would tell her. The nurses began to notice something special. Whenever Tomas entered the room, the baby stopped crying. She would look at him quietly as if she recognized him. One afternoon, a nurse asked Tomas a simple question. "Why do you visit her every day?" Tomas looked down at the sleeping baby. "Because the world threw her away," he said softly. "And I want her to know that someone chose her." Months later, Tomas made a decision that shocked everyone. He applied to adopt the baby. The man who spent his life collecting garbage had decided to raise the children who had been thrown away like trash. The judge asked him during the adoption hearing, "Are you sure you want to raise a child with your small salary?" Tomas smiled and replied, "I may not be rich, but I know how to take care of what people thrown away." Years later, the baby grew into a kind and a brilliant woman. And whenever someone asked her about her father, she would proudly say, "My dad didn't find me in a hospital or an orphanage." She would smile and hold his hand. "He found me in the garbage and decided I was the greatest treasure he had ever seen."